Imagine your doctor denying you a medical test because Obamacare rewards them for cutting costs and limiting care. Under Obamacare, Medicare is punishing hospitals and imposing financial penalties for readmitting patients, which overrules your doctor's decisions. Unfortunately, that's exactly what Obamacare's new medical payment plan is doing. Here's Dr. Bonati to elaborate on what's happening to your health care and why you should be concerned. We have a radio program called American Medicine Today, and we interviewed Pam Weldon. She's a small business owner in Nebraska who 3 times, not once, but 3 times in 1 year was dropped from Obamacare. Why don't you share some of your thoughts on that?
Well, once again, is the fraud to the healthcare system that Obama created. This fraud is not going to only affect millions of people. At the end of 2015, there are going to be around 2 more million people that are going to go out of healthcare, and they are going to be dropped by their work healthcare. And in the 2016 is going to be something around 7 million people. And by the 2020, it's going to be around 10 million people. That's 10 million people. Don't forget that this mess and this hypocrisy was, we need to give service to 10 million people that are without health care. Where now we have 10 million people plus 20 million people totally messed up. And the unfortunate situation is that the insurance companies are being, by the pressure of the government, they are being brought to accept certain situations of the government. So what happened to her is not going to be unique. It's going to be extremely frequent. And every time that you go and they drop you and you readjust, it's going to cost you more money. And every time that they drop you, they are going to cost you more money. And the worst part of it, they're going to force you to lie. Because then you're going to go, do you have any condition? And they're going to say, no, don't say that you have the condition, because if you say you have a back problem, then they're going to cost you more money.
We know the problem with Obamacare, and we had the elections already in 2014. Moving forth, what are some of the things that we in the country can do, doctors and patients, like what can we do to try to make headway and put Obamacare as a thing of the past?
Well, there are a lot of things, but it require really strong behavior. One of the things the medical group, and I'm not talking about medical societies, because medical societies are extremely weak or they are irresponsible, like American Medical Association. So I believe that the group of physicians, they should team up in the county societies and start to discuss this element and how to correct it and how to solve it. I think the solution is create their own medical insurance and hell with every other thing. Don't accept anything except medical insurance from the doctors, and that the patients are going to come. We will move patients from doctors from patients and doctors to this insurance and create a system that is powerful and responsible.
Thank you for watching American Medicine Today. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these new and exciting medical advancements, as well as discovering that you do not have to live with back pain, regardless of what you've heard from other medical professionals. Stop suffering and seek a consultation to see if the world-renowned Bonati spine procedures can help you regain your strength and get back in motion. If you are a doctor or medical innovator who would like to be featured on our show, email request@americanmedicinetoday.com. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to contact us at the number below. You can tweet at Dr. Bonati or hashtag American Medicine Today or hashtag AMT. We respect your views and opinions and would like to hear from you.